Monkeys. Monkeys are wild animals that live in the jungle. They seem like goofy, calm animals until they come onto your floor. This is my family's experience with monkeys. This is my experience.
No! He tried to grab me!
Then, this is what happened to my dad.
Get away. Hey, that's my stuff. Those are my glasses, dude. No. Can I have my glasses back? I'd like to have my glasses back.
Here's my mom's view of what happened to her.
Are you safe? Because one's coming after me. Holy crap. No. No, no, no! Ah! Ken! 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 Ah! No, no! Ah! Ah!
And here's my view.
You get away from my mom. Oh my god. My adrenaline.